Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to claim cashback on Eneba. First, open the Eneba app on your phone or open the Eneba website using your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you need to create one and sign in before you continue. Once you are on the home page, start browsing for something you want to buy. You can search for games, gift cards, or subscriptions using the search bar. You can also scroll through categories or deals. Take your time to find the product you want. When you find an item you like, look carefully at the product page. You need to make sure the item has a cashback label. This label usually shows the cashback amount or percentage you will receive after purchase. If there is no cashback label, that item will not give you cashback. After confirming the cashback label is visible, add the item to your cart. Click or tap the Add to Cart button. Next, go to your cart. Review all the items in your cart and check again that the cashback label is still shown. This helps avoid mistakes before payment. When everything looks correct, proceed to checkout. At checkout, choose your payment method and complete the purchase as usual. Eneba will automatically track the cashback for items that are eligible. That is all you need to do to claim cashback on Eneba. Thanks for watching.